current and future People's Liberation Army Air Force fighter jet, special mission jet, helicopter, trainer jet, and UAV. Chengdu J-20, role, stealth air superiority fighter, in service, 50+. Sukhoi Su-35BM, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 24, on order, 10. Shenyang J-16, role, multi-role strike fighter, in service, 122+. Sukhoi Su-30MKK, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 76. Shenyang J-11, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 346+. Chengdu J-10, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 435. Xian JH-7, role, fighter bomber, in service, 69. Shaanxi Y-9 KJ-500, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 30+. Shaanxi Y-8 KJ-200, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 11. Changhe Z-8, role, transport, utility, in service, 34. Harbin Z-9, role, combat search and rescue, in service, 16. Hongdu K-8, role, jet trainer, and light attack, in service, 170. Hongdu L-15, role, supersonic advanced trainer and light combat, in service, 24+. Loong I, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, in service, 60. Chengdu Cloud Shadow, role, male UAV, in service, 12. Harbin Giant Eagle, role, male UAV, in service, 84. Shenyang J-31, role, stealth multi-role fighter. Expected, 2021 in service. Xian H-20, role, stealth strategic bomber. Expected, 2021 in service. Rainbow CH-7, role, stealth UCAV. Expected, 2022 in service. JHXX, role, stealth bomber. Expected, 2025 in service. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.